Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video review about ZENERA. I'm here to help people who suffer with tinnitus, with inflammation to your ears, and you just want to, live a lifestyle where you can hear everyone, where your ears are working, your hearing is perfectly fine. So I think ZENERA is the best option. And I'm here today to give you all the details about ZENERA. I want you to fully understand how this supplement works and how it can even help you to cure up tinnitus, okay? So maybe you've heard about ZENERA before, but you still have some sort of doubts. That's totally fine. I'm here today to clear up all the air, to clear up any doubts. So all you need to do is just stay in this video review up to the last minute, okay? There are quite a few things you need to understand about ZENERA, so listen up. Now, if you do want to purchase ZENERA, the safest place for you to be going to get it is directly on their official webpage. I mean, sure, if you simply type up today ZENERA on the internet, so many web pages appear selling it, but you've got to purchase the original one in order to get results. And I know the original one is only sold on their official webpage. That's why I left their link right here below this video, so you can pop by there to learn more about ZENERA. You can purchase it there. Customer service is always there pronto to help you in case you need some sort of help. So everything you need is right here, okay? Now, what makes ZENERA so special is actually its formula. So I know it has ingredients that are so unique and special, like California poppy seed, like goji berry, like vitamin B6, plant extracts, herbal extracts, vitamins, stuff like that. And what makes ZENERA so amazing is that it's non-habit forming, it has no GMOs, it has no side effects, no contradictions. So this is a supplement that is safe and suitable for anyone 18 and above, men, women, any weight, okay? But guys, ZENERA was actually created to help people who are suffering with hearing loss and tinnitus. So this is going to go directly to the root cause of any type of inflammation. It doesn't matter if it's inflammation, and it's causing you earaches, it's going to fix that. It doesn't matter if it's tinnitus inflammation, it's going to fix that. So think about it. You're going to be able to live your life normally without having to have a hearing device on your ear, without having to be asking people to repeat themselves all the time. But of course, it has a lot of amazing benefits. But in order to experience these benefits, you have to take ZENERA seriously. So this is a treatment that needs to be taken up to 3 or 6 months. And every day you need to take a capsule or 2, okay? Without any interruptions. So you can't forget about taking ZENERA, guys. It's really, really important. It is natural, yes, so your body does require a few days to totally adapt to it. I mean, it's not going to give you amazing results overnight, but making constant use of ZENERA, you're going to have amazing results. Now, money back guarantee. Yes, they do have a money back guarantee. So in case it doesn't meet up to your needs or to your standards, you can just talk to customer service on the official webpage and they're going to help you to get your money back. So think about that, okay? Give ZENERA a shot. This is going to help you to treat tinnitus, prevent hearing loss, hear better, and just have amazing working hearing all over again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.